Hi everyone, I'm back today to share some new journals with you, and I actually made 6 journals this time, so as you can see I can't quite fit them all in the frame, but I really loved making them, and they are all inspired by amazing art of Edith Holden's. So I used her book pages, as you can see, for the covers, the front and back covers. I used her book pages inside as well, and also to make some ephemera and such. So 5 of these journals are already available in my Etsy shop. The link is down in the description box. And one of them, this one, the bunny one, I made for an Instagram giveaway that I will be hosting soon. I just need to figure out some things first, but if you're interested in participating, the link to my Instagram page is also down below, so check that out. And because they are all pretty similar, I will be flipping through one of them in detail, and then I will show you the rest more quickly. So let me move these guys around. Okay, so they are, I tried to make them standard traveler's notebook insert size, so they are 21 centimeters by 11 centimeters wide, not including the delays overhang, and each journal will come with 2 additional pieces that I will also show you: a little notebook and a handmade envelope with some stuff inside. So I'll show you these later. Okay, so the closure on each of the journals is just a simple piece of this cream colored sari silk. Right. And this is how the cover looks. I can actually show you how the front and back looks. So there are some poems or just some text pages on the back of each journal, and I sewn the signatures and then covered the spine with this tea-stained lace. There's also some stitching around the cover. Okay, so these journals all have 76 pages bound, front and back, plus some additional writing space that you will see. Okay, so let's go inside. So inside I used Tim Holtz paper as the first page of each signature, and Tim Holtz wallpaper to make this little pocket. This is a Tracy Fox label that you can use to write your name or write the date you start the journal or something like that. And this flips down. So in here there is just a stamp. You can write anything here, and this is a pocket from Edith Holden book. And inside the pocket there is a little botanical card that's been distressed on the other side, just some collaging, but you can use it for a little note or something. Okay, so I've used a variety of papers. So there is pattern paper, beautiful book pages, everything's been tea-stained. I tried to make these journals look quite grungy, so they are not clean, perfect journals. I've used gesso, I've used stamps. This is antique paper that I printed on vellum and just decorated the edges here. Some more antique papery, a lot of stamping here, gesso. This is an actual vintage notebook paper, so the color is natural and you can feel the texture of it is different from contemporary paper, I guess. So there is that, more book pages. Not sure if you can see it, but I've used some texture paste mixed with pastel acrylic paint through a stencil. I have my regular stained, tea stained and then color sprayed papers, some little ledger paper flip, very old music paper that I've gessoed over, and it actually makes a pocket here. And inside the pocket there is this tag. Each journal has this tag, and on one side it has a belly band, and in the belly band you have a botanical sticker and a botanical cutout, and this is how it looks. Then on the other side each tag will have a little pocket with some more cut elements, a bird, another sticker, and a little vintage looking ticket, and this is how it looks. And also there is a feature, one more feature to it, because these are actually two tags that are kind of linked together with an eyelet. You can slide them like this, and they are backed with tea stained paper, so you actually get some additional secret, I guess, journaling space. And if you take the sari silk off, you can slide them all the way up like this. Okay, so I will put these guys later. Edith Holden book page, some decoupage. This is again actual vintage paper. A little pocket here out of a little botanical book that I have, and I've put some tags inside for you to use or to journal on. I love how the stitching looks on the other side. Each journal will also come with a sprayed, color sprayed vellum page, so it gives an awesome sound. And look how the botanical page on the other side looks. I just love how it looks. There are also some fabric tabs in each journal, charms, ledger paper that I tea stained. This is a ball pin with just some beads on it. Okay, more book pages, more color sprayed pages, and this here flips out. You have a long book page pocket here, and this bookmark with some cutout butterflies. This is Edith Holden page, and on the other side it's just bagged with music paper, vintage music. Then here, this is a lace pocket on this flip, and there is a tag again from Edith Holden page, bagged with tea stained paper. Just some Tim Holtz words on each of the tags. Notebook paper with I love this, the look of these, so I just left it. Some more antique papery pages and some more grunging up. Then this is the middle of the signature, so you have like an image from an Edith Holden book. Then there is this embellishment, a little fabric ruffle with some lace and a sewn button, and this actually flips up, and you have some additional papers here. Some of them have been stamped, so you can write all over this, and the whole page was also left for you to journal on. Some more stenciling with texture paste. Then the actual middle of the signature is a sewn-in envelope, again from a book page inspired by Tracy Fox. So this one was left empty for you to add your own stuff. There's some lace here, a lot of sewing, sari silk trim, a label here, and this is how it looks. Some collaging with cheesecloth. Then there is a there is a fabric flip, and again you have the whole page to journal on. Again, the other side of this little flip, and you have a belly band with this jute and lace trim, and a little journaling card, again with some images from Edith Holden messily sewn around, and the bag is left plain for journaling. This is one of my little tabs that I like to add to my journals, with some sari silk through an eyelet, and this one has a butterfly with a flower. This image is from Janet Marsh's Nature Diary book, I believe. Okay, the other side of the papers, one more fabric tab with a charm, more decoupage, Edith Holden, the other side of the music page, and a pocket on the other side as well. And this is a cool idea that was inspired by Musings by Nikki here on YouTube, and it's like a tag pocket, so the shape of the tag with Edith Holden image sewn around and collaged. The other side is a poem from one of her books, and it was left open to form a pocket, so you have a little Tim Holtz journaling card inside that you can use, and you can pull it comfortably with this little tab made out of Edith Holden book page again. Right, again this flips out. I've border punched it, and this is a pocket, like a tri-pocket, I guess, made out of antique book page and Edith Holden book pages. So first pocket is this little one, and you just have some little bits and pieces. These are from Tracy Fox, and this is a little tag from my stash. Then the gorgeous dragonfly image, the second pocket, some ephemera and a floral die cut. And the last pocket is this the Tracy Fox faux ephemera alteration tag for you to journal on, and this is how the pocket looks, all sewn around. I left all the threads just like this because I like the look of them, but they are secure. You can just cut them if you don't like them. More texture paste, more images printed on vellum, and some place for journaling, more vellum. I love how this page turned out. Gorgeous book page images. And this is the back of this one, and in the back there is a pocket with some border punching, and inside the pocket I've added an antique book page. This one is from 1890s, I believe, and it's a botanical book, so you can use it for collage and whatnot. And like I said, with the journal there will come this little notebook that I made from altered project life cards that are joined together with a piece of tea-stained fabric. The closure is just this jute string through an eyelet. So you just have a pocket here on the front, some pages inside, some journaling space. This is a good size to just put in your purse if you don't like to take a journal with you everywhere, and just, you know, jot down your notes or thoughts in a pocket in the back. And a handmade book page envelope. This is kind of like a window envelope, because I've printed some of gorgeous images from ephemera kits from Shabby Tabby Studios on vellum, and I've just cut this window here and put them so that they kind of, you can see when there is something inside of the envelope. So this is how it looks, some lace flower, and this is the closure with some beads. So you just untie it like that. Gorgeous sari silk here, and inside each pocket there will be just a tea-stained notebook paper and an additional book page from Edith Holden. Alright, so let me put this one aside and let me quickly flip through another one. So this one comes with this envelope. I won't be opening it because it's just the same as the other one and the notebook. Okay, sari silk closure again. This is how the cover looks, the front and back. Again, some index pages from Edith Holden, some lace, which is sewn in between the inside and outside cover. And this is how it looks inside. So again, this flips down, a botanical card here, a stamped image. So it's virtually the same, but of course the book pages are different, pattern papers are different, but everything's grungy. There's some decoupaging, stamping all over, texture paste through stencil, fabric tabs with charms. This one comes with this tag, which again flips so you can journal inside. Edith Holden book page, more decoupage. Again, this sewn pocket with some tags here. Straight vellum with some beads on a ball pin. Some journaling space, some images printed on the vellum. This again flips, and there is a bookmark inside, and lace pocket. And this is the tag that comes with this journal. Antique papery. Again, the middle of the signature you have Edith Holden image with some additional journaling space. The envelope sewn in the middle with some collaging and a label. Fabric flip. And this is the card that comes with this one, plain again on the back. Book pages, ledger paper, the other side of the vellum, a little charm, sorry, little charm here, decoupage. Okay, and the book page, the music page pocket, which comes with this pocket tag and a journaling card inside. Okay, again this flips out and you have the little goodies in the tri pocket, grunged up papers, and there's again an antique book page on the back. So this is the bird one. Then we have this one, and it will come with this notebook and this envelope. So some jute and lace here. Okay, let's go right into it. So this one has flowers on the cover, and this is how the whole cover looks like. Again, some tea stain lace here. It's pretty much the same again, just different book pages, different images, printed on vellum, some beads here on a bob pin. This is the tag that this one comes with. And again, all of them have the same types of ephemera inside. Beautiful pages by Edith Holden. Some more little tags here. Sprayed vellum, a little charm, ledger paper. Again, this flips out, and there is this bookmark. This tag, "Today is full of possibilities," this says, in a lace pocket. And this is one of my tabs with the sorry silk. Again, the middle, just some papers, this little embellishment, the pocket, the envelope, collaging, label. The labels are from Roxy Creations, from Rachel's shop. Journaling. This one comes with a journaling card. This one comes with a poem. Charm here. This is the vintage paper. The pocket tag with a journaling card. This flips out again, border punching. This is the pocket in this one. Again, the same type of ephemera. How beautiful is this? Yeah, and the wallpaper pocket on the back with some book page. Alrighty, so then we have this one. Oh, I love the cover of this one. Okay, and let me show you. This one comes with this little notebook. This is a bird here, and this envelope, some beads here, and this is how it looks. Okay, so this is the cover of this one. Some more browns in this one. Again, the botanical card here. Journaling space, fabric tab with a charm. This is the tag here, and it slides again. Edith Holden, the pocket with little tags, vellum with some beads. Okay, this flips out, and a bookmark here, the little tag in a lace pocket, again backed with anti-stain paper. Then this is the middle of this one, again some of the stamped, some texture paste. Okay, and the envelope again is empty. You have some collage here, fabric flip. This is the journaling card in this one. A little tab of sorry silk, ledger paper, vellum paper, some decoupage. Okay, and then this tag with the little journaling card. Okay, this flips, and this is the pocket in this one. Some more texture paste. Beautiful book page. And the wallpaper pocket in the back with the antique book page. Alright, we have one more to go from those that go to my Etsy store. And this is the cover of this one. Okay, some more yellows in this one. Again, the same thing. Fabric tags on different papers. The tag in this one. Slides again. I like this idea. Edith Holden, beautiful book page. A pocket with this little tags, sprayed vellum. Again, I flip out, and a bookmark, and this little tag. This one says "Live your dreams with passion." So true. Okay, the middle, again some stamp papers and texture paste. The envelope in this one, and the fabric flip. Journaling card. The tab with sari silk. This tag here. And this beautiful pocket. Okay, book pages, vintage paper. And the back, wallpaper pocket with another book page, and this one will come with this envelope, some more yellow tones. This is how it looks in the back. Again, this is an image from Shabby Tabby Studios on Etsy, and this notebook. Alright. And the last one is the bunny one. The bunny one is the one I will be giving away on my Instagram. So again, the link is down in the description box. And this is the notebook in this one. And the envelope. And the journal itself. I really hope you guys like these journals. I love making them. Yeah, so it looks like this. More greens in this one. The wallpaper flip. Antique papery, decoupage, sprayed papers. I've messily painted some of the pages and the music papers with gesso and acrylic paint in pastel colors. So this is the tag, the pocket with little tags, some beads and a ball pin again. Okay, this flips. And again, there's a bookmark here, and this tag that says "Be open to whatever comes next." Medal of the signature. This is beautiful. The envelope, fabric flip, some charms. Then this is the card in this one. Vintage paper, and then the pocket tag. Oops. The back, and a little journaling card. It flips up. Again, the tri pocket, some journaling space. And the back of this one with the pocket and the book page. So that's quite a lengthy video. Yeah, but I hope you guys like these journals. Like I said, the first five are available in my Etsy shop, so check them out if you're interested, and check out my Instagram page for some details about the giveaway soon. And yeah, have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.